yawn with me. Go on, give it a try. And then think about what's happening in your throat when you do so. Let's yawn together again, but this time place your hand on your larynx, on your voice box for me, and just see what's happening. Let's yawn. Can you feel it? Do you notice the space kind of opening up here in your throat area and your larynx gently dropping? What this does, it creates more space here in your throat so that your sound can resonate freely and without any tension. This is super helpful if you feel like, for example, on high notes, your larynx just goes too high up and causes lots of tension and you end up, straining and sounding like this. A simple yawn can bring everything back to balance. Now let's combine that yawning feeling with a little exercise to help you release any lingering tension. This is how the exercise goes. It's that simple. So I just need you to imagine like you're about to yawn. Try not to yawn actually, because it's gonna just make this singing process quite slow, right? If we're gonna just keep yawning. But imagine as if you're about to yawn, and let's sing it, okay? Lovely. Beautiful. As if you're about to yawn. Lovely. Let's go down. And pop your hand here. Your larynx is dropping. And did you notice that we're also going from the higher note to the lower, kind of supporting that movement of the larynx, that movement of lowering the larynx with lowering the note too as we go. So imagine as if you're about to yawn and just and sing, and feel how your space here in your throat is just freeing up for your sound to resonate freely, and feel any tension just disappearing with every note you sing. Now, I've talked about how to release throat tension on this channel before, and I shared with you a little trick called the surprised breath, which is quite similar to a yawn, but a yawn is just a little bit bigger as a movement in your throat here. So check this video out too and see what you think, see if it helps you also. Or you can use both of these tricks in your singing whenever you feel like you need to release any tension in your throat.